What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how effective is camera raw filter in Adobe Photoshop CC on CS6. I don't remember when I started using it on CC. So anyway, without further ado, let me show you how you can use this tool to fix your problems. Stay tuned, and if you like this video, give it a like, comment if you think you have any other solution to how I solve this image. Let us know, and definitely subscribe if you like this kind of videos that I'm doing.